Hi, I'm Dr. Richard Champagne, a practicing dentist in Morganville, New Jersey, and a dental product shopper contributor. Our team of over 1,200 independent evaluators are all dental professionals just like you. They eagerly use and evaluate products in their practices and then share their experiences with their peers. Today we're going to be focusing on the evaluation of TheraCem by BISCO. We'll learn about this product and find out what our evaluators had to say about using it in their practices. TheraCem is a dual-cured, calcium and fluoride releasing, self-adhesive resin cement indicated for luting crowns, bridges, inlays, onlays, and posts, both prefabricated metal, non-metal, and fiber. The MDP monomer containing formula promotes adhesion that enhances the bond strength to zirconia, metal, and the tooth structure without the use of an additional dental adhesive or primer. Additionally, it offers a high degree of conversion for increased strength and high radio opacity for differentiation on radiographs. TheraCem's single-step procedure makes cementation to zirconia easier than ever before. TheraCem comes with one dual syringe, 8 grams, 15 mixing tips and intraoral tips, delivering a strong bond to zirconia and most substrates, along with easy cleanup and higher radio opacity. TheraCem offers clinicians an effortless, reliable, and durable cementation of indirect restorations. Now let's take a look at what the independent evaluators at Dental Product Shopper had to say about TheraCem. 10 evaluators with a combined 55+ years of experience participated in this evaluation. They looked at 6 different criteria during their examination. Some of the highest individual scores were given to lack of post-op sensitivity, which received a score of 4.7, handling was given a 4.6, and initial bond strength received a 4.2. The overall score for TheraCem is 4.4, making it a Dental Product Shopper Best Product. When asked about TheraCem, one evaluator noted, TheraCem bonds very well to zirconia and has streamlined the cementation process by eliminating the etching step. Dr. Scott Schaefer of Clark, New Jersey stated, "I had no reports of post-cementation sensitivity after using TheraCem." Dr. Scott Miller of Skokie, Illinois said, "Knowing there is fluoride and calcium released gives me more confidence in the success of the cementation." So that's our report on BISCO's TheraCem, a best product according to our independent evaluators at Dental Product Shopper. For complete evaluation results and to post your own review of TheraCem or other BISCO products, please visit dentalproductshopper.com. I'm Dr. Richard Champagne. Thanks for watching.